So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. Yes, it is, under this mask. If you are new, allow me to say welcome. Hello. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. So, in today's Win It With Me Wednesday, that's right, I decided to go ahead and do a mask. Although this is not actually Wednesday. That's a little secret. It's pre-recorded, but this is going up on Win It With Me Wednesday. If you want to see what we're doing, a little bit of skincare, a little chit chat, and perhaps go over the Macy's beauty box, and then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes. All right, let me just start by telling you that this mask is giving me problems. I don't know why, but it is. It just seems to be drying out like way quicker than it should be. Perhaps the lights, I don't know, but we are going to fix that. Before I get started, I wanted to just let you know that this is a beauty channel. And if you are new, my name is Stephanie. Kind of like the host around here, I guess. I'm the one who turned the camera on. It's a real life beauty channel where we do things in real life time. I show you real life things because oh so much real life happens over here. I can assure you of that. So if you're into unboxings and shopping trips, new releases, an eye tutorial or two, anything beauty related really, then this is absolutely the channel for you. I say we don't make mistakes over here. We have learning experiences because I get a lot of learning experiences for sure. Anyway, if that is something you can get into, please hit that button down below and come aboard and have a good time. That's what I say. Okay. That was a tough one. Anyway, we do have the Macy's Beauty Box. Now, I am not going to sit here and unbox this with this mask on. Absolutely not. But I will tell you what I have on, and then I think I have about 5 more minutes to wait for it to come off. But I did use this, and I got this in my Whole Foods beauty bag. You would have seen that video already. This is the Andalou Bright and Tighten Hydro Serum facial mask, and I was reading that backwards. Holy crap. I do like Andalou. It's a very good brand. And it's all natural skincare or clean skincare. And I do have underneath my eyes patches as well. Serum is the name of them. This is a new one. I got these sent to me in a swap that I did, and it was like an extra. But here's what I'm going to do, because this is really like, I don't know, drying out immensely. There is some serum left in here. So what I'm going to do, and I do this a lot, like if it starts to dry out, if I feel too quickly, I will just pour some in my hand, kind of rub it in, and then just press it on the mask itself. And it smells like oranges. I mean, it's not like overpowering or anything, but you can smell like a faint hint of oranges. And I do like that a lot. And then I just push the serum in if I want it to stay on longer. Most times, I'm just waiting to rip it off because I have no patience. We have about 5 more minutes, and then I will take this off, and we will get into the unboxing. I did a little bit of skincare. Now, I have a couple steps left. So, hey guys, yes, the random comment picker has spoken. This is the winner to my last Win It With Me Wednesday. They have 48 hours to get a hold of me. And stay tuned because we are starting yet another little giveaway. So stay tuned for what the prize will be and how to enter. Back to the video. Okay, so I used hyaluronic acid, the Good Molecules, and a little bit of the Glow Recipe. Okay, I kind of mixed those two together and added a little bit of my Kate Somerville. Where did she go? Squalene and hyaluronic acid serum as well. I mixed that all together. I kind of put that on all at once, smush it in, let it kind of dry down till it's just a little bit tacky. So rule number 1 is you must be publicly subscribed to the channel, and by that I mean your account must be public so that I can go in and check and make sure that my face is under the people you are subscribed to. And then I go in with my gel cream. If you hear anything, that's her scratching. Oh my gosh, guys, I broke my mirror. I'm using this one. What? No, I have to go and get a big one. I can't believe I broke it. 7 years bad luck. I do not need 7 years bad luck. You must be 18 or older to enter this giveaway. And then I went over it. I do like this. This is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. It's oil-free moisturizer. Okay, so what am I always saying? I want oil in my face, right? Okay. But it is a moisturizer. And then I forgot to put my eye drops in, so hold please. So yes, you do not have to have a U.S. shipping address. It's open international. I know it looks like I'm crying. It's the Lumify That's what I use. Best stuff in the world. Heck of expensive, but it's well worth it. Keeps my eyes bright and white for the longest. And then I just used a little bit of the Avant under my eyes with a little bit of my e.l.f. Holy Hydration Eye Cream with the illuminating eye cream. Tap that under my eyes. And now the last step I do before sunscreen is I go in with the Herbivore Emerald. So YouTube is not affiliated in any way with this giveaway. I bought all the products myself. This one, okay, you can tell that it's been loved. I just kind of like put it here, a little bit, and that's it. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. And I try not to let it drip on my shirt. Sometimes I'm not so good at that. I do just go ahead and make sure that I get this everywhere because this oil really does hydrate my skin. And not only that, I will take not even a drop. I just touch it to my finger. I don't push or squeeze or anything. And then I tap it together and I go under my eyes with it. Because guys, that really does help because I have the driest under eyes in the world. And when they're dry, they're all like sunken in and dark like they are now. And then once the oil dries in, I go in with my sunscreen, which I have been using the Daily Mineral Sunscreen from Derm Store. And I'm trying to get my hands on some more. I'm trying to swap a bunch of people on the site. I put this much on one side and this much on the other. You're supposed to put this on 20 minutes before you go out in the sun. And then you just rub it in. Guys, it makes for a really good primer. Speaking of primer, what I'm going to use today for the very first time is my little Tatcha. Guys, I can't tell you how long I've been trying to get my hands on this. I did swap with somebody. Unfortunately, I did not receive the products back. That fell through. I don't really know what happened, you know what I mean? But it's not a big deal. So I finally got this. And yeah, it's the Silk Canvas Tatcha. I want to try it. Someone sent this to me to try. It's the little bitty one, okay? And yes, it is used, but I know the person, so, you know. All good there. And you will see me do a shout out because she just sent it to me in friend mail and I have a video coming with that box that she sent me. Let's go ahead and get into the Macy's Beauty Box for the month of March. I know I'm late. I apologize. I did just make coffee, but I'm afraid I'm going to spill it on my shirt. So, because it always happens. Faces you make when you do things. It's so funny. I never knew until I started filming and wow, did I catch myself. So as you know, Macy's Beauty Box, or if you don't know, it is $15.60 total. That is with tax. Shipping is free. It does come in a box like this with a little tamale. Always pink paper. Love it. And of course, you always get a little pamphlet with a rundown of all the products. Varies 5 to 7, 8 sometimes. I never know how many they send. And you always do get a little card with $5 off if you want to shop at Macy's to buy any beauty products. I always wait for sales and try to use that when I can. And then here, yes, we do have this. And let me just explain. What will happen is when you do all the calculations, which I don't do, and you break down the full-size products, which they don't tell you how big the full size is, so you have to look that up yourself. But they do give you the full-size price. Then if you were to do all the calculations and the dividing, which, yeah, this girl doesn't do that. That's a whole lot of editing. It should equal $51. See it right there on the top? Please don't subscribe just for the giveaway and then unsubscribe afterwards because there's a way to check. I don't mention this one too much because, you know, I just kind of think people know that by now. But if not, and we do have a lot of newcomers, it's just like I say, connect with me on some kind of level if you can. Like I said, I'm very goofy. I have a really good heart. It's one of my best qualities, honestly. And there's a lot of paper. I always reuse this when I send out prizes. So the first thing I see, I don't know what this is, and there's nothing about it in here. So I'm just going to say that this is it looks like a book. So it does come in a little plastic sheath here. So yeah, that's what it is. It's girl power, very cute. A little ding. I can always use this at my desk if I'm jotting down whenever I come up with an idea. Guys, I have so many palettes to go over with you. It's crazy. Okay, so this is from Natasha Moore. There's the packaging, okay? And this is the Warrior Sponge. Kind of looks like, if you look at it really quickly, the e.l.f. But I do love my e.l.f. sponge, and I have a real technique, so I have a ton of sponges. I do like the e.l.f. I am partial to the e.l.f. And here we have it. This is what it looks like. Well, it's kind of the same. It really, okay. Who duped who? That's what I want to know. Comes with a little plastic wrapper thing, and it's very pointy. I like that. Get under there. And it has like a whole bunch of flat sides. Look at that. That is so cool. You can do your bronzer. You can do your powder to like, if you want to look all snatched up there. Okay, so loving that. And this is a full size, so it's valued at 16 bucks. Okay, that's a lot for a beauty blender. I would not pay that, but it is in the box. So right there, that one thing paid for your box in its entirety. Not bad. Okay, so the next thing is this. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. It is a mini travel size. In what shade? Medium brown, which I can definitely get away with on the outer corners of my eyes. And yes, I do not have any eyebrows on, sorry. And the full size for the Anastasia is $23, yes, if you were to buy the full size. Which I don't have any full size, I don't think. I may somewhere, but I don't think so. I don't know. I do have a billion of these, though. So, hey. Just as good. When I'm finished with that, chuck it and then move on to the next little one. It does show a large one in here though, but yeah, that's not what we get. Now we have the Nude Stick. It's called Nudie's Bronze from Nude Stick. It says, okay, contour, we see you. Go for the subtle or full-on sculpted with a bronzing balm that is rich in pigment but glides on the skin like a sun-kissed dream. Okay, well, I was looking for some bronzer. Not sure if that's my shade. I don't want to swatch it in case it's not. I'll have to look closely at it. It's kind of dark. It's a little, well, yeah, it's not showing up as dark on camera. That looks a little bit lighter than it actually. It's just a smidge darker than that. So maybe for contour, I don't know about bronzing, but maybe contour. And the full-size version of that would be $34, okay? So here we have that. We have a full-size Garlactic product in here. Oh, where's the packaging? Okay, so there you have it right there. Okay, it says Garlactic. Now, I did get a Garlactic product, and I think in my BoxyCharm or my Ipsy, I'm not sure. But it wasn't this. Oh, that's very pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. You have like herbs and flowers in there. Is this rose? Yes, it is. Garlactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Now, this is a gloss, and it is rose. Yeah, I don't know about that. You know me and rose. This one is a full size and it is $20. So again, paid for the box. We have this little guy, which is Broken Top Candle Company Sea Salt Surf and a Perfume Roll-On. So it is a roll-on. Sea Salt Surf. Okay, let me smell. Oh no, it's not a roll-on. It's not a roll-on. It's got one of these little things where you like... Oh, I do like that. Like you just drip a little. Yeah, I kind of like that. It's a little sweet, but I do like it. Maybe on a night out or something. I don't think I would wear it on my everyday adventures, but yes, very nice. And then, is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Yeah, so let's recap. Oh, wow, that was a quick box. Okay, so we have the Garlactic Rose Oil, Rose Petal Lip Oil. We have the Nude Stick Bronzer Contour, which I'm definitely going to give it a go. And then we have the Makeup Sponge, which is a full-size, $16. Absolutely great. So is the Garlactic, by the way. So that's 2 full-size products. Awesome. Then we have a little sample of the... It's a nice sample, actually. You get a lot of use out of this because it's an oil. So I'm thinking it's an oil. And you just have a little drop. Boom, you're good to go. And now that it's settled down... Yeah, I do like it. It's very subtle. I could see how it could be overpowering if you put too much on. So only a little bit of this. I would recommend a little bit. And then we have the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So the total box for what these sizes are would be $51 value. Now, this I believe is an extra because it's not in the box. It doesn't say anything about it. So yeah, they gave us a little, instead of a bag, we get a little, I don't know how I feel about that. But anyway. I can always use a little pad by my desk. I have one for my purse. I have my journal that you guys saw, and then a giveaway I won. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. And then we have this one that I can leave here by my desk if I have an idea for a video or something. Or if I want to take notes on something, I have it right here on my desk. Awesome. Okay, so there you have it. So this is the Win It With Me Wednesday. I would have announced the winner in here somewhere. Congratulations, you have 48 hours to get a hold of me. Now, what are we giving away in this video? I'm going to include the Formula Z palette. I believe this came in Ipsy. I will show it to you very quickly again. That's very pretty packaging. It does have the shade names, on the back, okay? If you can see right there. The palette is very pretty. I can't make out what that says. I'm going to hold it up to the camera, but see the different faces there? I'm assuming it's a different way to use the palette. I don't know. So here we go. Now, it is kind of a cool tone thing. And of course, I'll put a mask in there or something like that. Probably eye patches or whatever. And so there you have it. It does have a little bitty mirror there. It does have a protector. Let me hold it up so you can see the shadows again. This is a very shifty. It has almost like a green to it. And this is a very pretty peach. Wow. I believe they may be shimmers. I know these are shimmer here and this is a shimmer here. And then you have the two mattes. So, I mean, definitely a cute palette. You can definitely travel with it. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in this giveaway for you. And of course, like I said, I'll put in like eye patches or something. Okie dokie. That will be for our next Win It With Me Wednesday video. I will announce the winner. And again, the winner to the last one, I will remind you, congratulations to that person. 48 hours, guys, to get a hold of me, okay? So the word you're going to use is the word mask, and please use it in a sentence. Also, you want to put some kind of orange emoji underneath. It doesn't matter really what it is. It could be a heart, could be anything. Just give me something orange. Again, this is how this works with Win It With Me Wednesday. I will announce the winner whenever the next Win It With Me Wednesday goes up. All right, so as always, I just want to say thank you. I'm going to go ahead and put my makeup on. I have that Unconditional Elle Studio video that you probably for the spoilers for April, which if you haven't caught it, it is up on my playlist. And then I have some more videos to film. We do have our 1200 giveaway coming if it's not already started. So as always, thank you for tuning in with me. And please remember, if you are going through something, please talk about it, share about it. Don't try and stuff it. It's been my experience that it does not go away. It just gets worse. Also, if someone asks you, hey, do you got a minute? Please say yes, because you'd absolutely help them just by listening. I'm going to say this, guys. Always stay safe with everything going on in this world. You know, we are not promised tomorrow. Remember, it is a gift. So, you know, if you have anything you maybe want to say to somebody or someone you haven't talked to in a while, please reach out to that person. Okay? Like I always say, please, all across the globe, to all my loved ones, stay safe. Till the next one. See ya. Come on aboard. Come on aboard. Is that the right way to say that? Come on aboard? No. Does that sound right? That sounds wrong.